Today in this video, I will lead you through the process of earning little extra money from YouTube. Now, first let's see the requirements. The eligibility requirements are: your channel should be monetized, you are over 18 years of age, and you are in one of the available locations. Presently, 68 countries are eligible. Next, if your videos are private, you are not eligible. If your videos are marked for kids, then you are not eligible. I am talking about YouTube's new option provided to a few lucky YouTube creators at the moment. But don't worry, all will be able to have this option very soon. The first option to earn extra money is show support with super thanks and super chat and super stickers. So everything is super in YouTube. Question: does YouTube earn a percentage of super chat, super stickers and super thanks donations that one receives on YouTube? Well, yes. YouTube will keep 30% fee on all the money contributed on those services. The 30% which is kept by YouTube will be split 50-50 among YouTubers and other contributors. Super chat and super stickers gives you the option to better connect with your fans during live streams and premieres. As during live chats, your viewers can purchase the highlighted chats and animated images. Now comes the most important: show support with super thanks. Super thanks was formerly known as viewers applause. Super thanks lets creators earn a different source of revenue and connect with viewers who want to show extra gratitude for your hard work or efforts that you put in. So let's go ahead and see how to install them. First, log into your YouTube Creator Studio. Click on monetization. Click on supers. And here you will find all that is super. Earn extra revenue from live streams and premieres, and some more details about how you can earn money. Read that and understand more about it in details. Next, click there, and this is an addendum extra added clause. You have to agree as usual, no secrets about that. Here you need to fill your details. First, name, and then your email ID. And here, if you are representing a company, then write your company name or simply write NA, not applicable. Next, click on I accept. So here you are, telling you to on them now. So let's click here on these options, and now they are activated. Let's refresh that. And now we will see if the thanks option is on the videos. It should be on every published video and including all your future videos. Here is our extra generating income thanks option. Now, what happens when someone clicks on that? One can transfer these amounts into your account as a token of appreciation. When someone likes your creativity, your video presentation or acting of an actor, etc. Once the amount is transferred, it will be made public in the comment section. Next, click on Buy and Send. The GST deduction amount there, and then the two methods of making payments. Then simply hit the buy option. So it's very simple and great one to show your love and affection to any creator, to motivate them for entertaining you or giving you valuable knowledge. So that's it. Now earn extra money. Tell your family members and friends to send now so that you can test how it works. Chal, keep earning more money. Take care, buddy. Bye-bye.